Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
To fix a relationship with lack of intimacy, start by communicating openly about your feelings and desires. Schedule regular check-ins with each other to discuss your relationship. Create a safe space for sharing without judgment. Prioritize spending quality time together, engaging in activities both enjoy. Rekindle intimacy by introducing new experiences or date nights to spark excitement. Seek professional help if necessary, such as couples therapy, to address underlying issues. Remember, rebuilding intimacy is a gradual process that requires patience, understanding, and consistent effort from both partners.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.